Ever wish you had more room under your kitchen sink? Here's how I moved the center divider to the cabinet door. To get started, I picked up this DeWalt Pull Saw and got it assembled. Then I made my first cuts to remove the center divider. Once the first cuts were made, I switched to my Oscillating Multi-Tool to finish removing the divider. Once the center divider was removed, I used my sander to smooth everything out. Next, we touched up all the cut edges using the Slobproof paint stick. Then, I clamped the center divider to the cabinet door. I made sure everything was level, and then I tested the door to make sure everything lined up perfectly. There we go. Now we can drill everything into place. Well, look at that. That one simple upgrade gave me all this extra space. And just with a few paint touch-ups and reorganization, it looks like it came right from the factory. Well, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.